Start. I am N. Murli Mohan Reddy, working as an assistant professor in Vageshwari Engineering College. Today I am going to show you how to compile a Java program inside a Edit Plus editor, and how to configure the compilation and the Java C command and Java command inside a Edit Plus editor. From the Edit Plus editor itself, how we are going to compile our Java program, and how we are going to execute our Java program from the Edit Plus editor. Here, first of all, here we need to download Edit Plus editor software. And what is the advantage of using the Edit Plus editor here means, inside that some predefined code, something for every Java program we are going to write something Java class. For every program we are going to have something as public static void main method. Some template type coding is going to be available, and the template type coding is available. And this is the Edit Plus editor, and here I am clicking on the OK. Here already trial version has been completed. Just drag it here. Here I am opening something as water, and inside the tools, here how we are going to configure. Here I am, before that already I have configured. Here I am just removing. Here I am removing, and here assign, here group also I am removing. Otherwise, here group name, and here you need to assign your group name, and just clicking on the group name option. First of all, here tools, and inside the user configure tools, here what is the, first of all you need to choose a group name, and here I am choosing the group name as Java, and after that I am clicking OK. And after that, what is the, here add tool, and click on the programs, and inside the programs you want to assign a name for the Java compilation. Here assigning a name of Java compilation as Java C. Whatever is the name you want to specify, that name you can specify. And here you need to choose where that Java C is available. Here, if you have already installed your Java, means inside the C drive program files, inside the program files you are going to have Java, and inside the Java you are going to have JDK. Here on my system JDK 1.8 has been installed, and here we need to click on bin to compile the compilation. Means to do compilation, Java compilation means you need to, what is the thing is needed here means Java C.exe is needed for compilation, and here I am assigning that. And here argument, whenever you are compiling, what is the thing is needed here means file name is needed. And here inside the which directory that dot class file has to be generated or stored here means inside the file directory itself. Here I am applying and clicking on the OK option. And here once again tools, and configure user group, and here add one more tool as what under the Java C. Here I am adding something to execute the Java program means click on the programs, and here I am assigning the name as, here I am assigning name as Java, command name Java or something Java run, and here command line argument as I am giving something as what, here to execute the program means java.exe file is required, and it is also been available inside the C drive program files Java and JDK 1.8 bin, and inside that Java we are having. And after that, here whenever you are executing the program means without the file extension, your Java class name you are going to mention, and here I am mentioning something as what, file name without extension, and here I am assigning something as file directory, apply and OK. And here, what is the advantage of using the edit plus editor means, here you are going to see something as what, okay, here if I am choosing Java means by default it is showing something, okay, class public whatever the general, okay, common code available for the all the programs is available here, and the keywords are mentioned in blue colors, and the here class names are indicated in red colors, and whatever the statements we are writing in the double quotes are going to be displayed in pink colors, and other things are going to be displayed in, okay, black colors. Here I am just keeping my name as something as sample, my program name as sample, and here after sample we are going to save the program name with whatever the class name we have mentioned, and here I am save as, and inside the D drive I am saving my program, inside the D drive I am saving my program as whatever the sample, and dot java, and here you can choose all files or save type as it is a Java file, we can choose Java, and here I am saving this, and there is no need to go to the command prompt window, and directly we can compile, and here you need to remember something as what, Java C, what is the option we are, what is the shortcut key we are having here means control 1 means, okay, Java compile, and control 2 means execution, and here I am pressing on the control 1, and it has been successfully compiled, and here I am pressing something control 2, and it is showing something as what, hello world, hello world, okay, in this manner we can, okay, we can do the Java programs inside the what, edit plus editor, and in this manner here we can create, we can configure our compilation commands and the execution commands. Here where we need to go here means inside the tools and configure user group, here you need to assign the group name, and inside that you need to add tools, and here you need to set the path, okay, this is all about what, how we are going to do the programs in edit plus editor, how we are going to do the Java programming in edit plus editor, from the edit plus editor itself, how we are going to compile and how we are going to execute a general, okay, general core Java programming here. Okay, thank you for watching this video. If you like this video means just share this video. Okay, thank you.